How's it going, everybody? This is Levi from BayFoils, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the 2024 Flite Partner Meeting. So, if you're not clued in, one of the big things that separates Fliteboard from some of the other eFoil brands is the fact that they really care about their dealers. They care so much that every year they have an annual meeting where all the Fliteboard partners get together. We can share industry knowledge, and kind of learn from one another, and also get a good forecast of how the season went and how this next season's going to go as a Fliteboard partner. Now, I can't get into any of the things we talked about at the meeting because that is all very industry secret. We've all signed NDAs to not disclose any of that, but I can talk about, some of the networking that we do. We know a lot of the Fliteboard partners that are out there because a lot of us have been with Fliteboard since Series 1. It's going back 5 years now almost. And there's a really thriving community across the country and across the globe of partners that are all in the same industry. We all are out here teaching people how to foil, selling boards, and just overall promoting the brand. And so while we do love to sell boards online, I know from firsthand experience, the best experience the customer and user is going to get is if they go to a local Fliteboard partner and take a lesson and ask the questions in person. And so during the cocktail hour, I met with some of my friends there, and I'm just going to do a signal boost right here. I'm going to show you the video. Apologies, audio is bad. I was using my cell phone, and we might have been partaking in adult libations, so we're a little bit loopy, so to speak. But yeah, all these guys are great partners out there that you should all follow their socials. And if you're local to them, you should check them out. Or if you want to do some traveling with your eFoil, they are definitely people who you should contact if you're going to be in their area, because they'll hook you guys up. We like to take care of all of our customers. Everyone who has a Fliteboard is a Fliteboard customer. And so they can get you taken care of on your local travel. So enough talking. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, but also like and subscribe and follow all my friends. Cheers.
I'll cut it all out. We are here at the Flite Annual Partner Conference with Torin. Torin, what do you do for Flite?
I work in partner success.
So he is the guy that all of us partners reach out to when we have shit that goes wrong. And then we're here. You guys recognize this chap. Who are you?
Danny from Just Foil.
Yeah, you are. Where can they find you?
On the beaches of Malibu.
Where's Malibu?
And Los Angeles, California.
See, these are the questions.
Yes, these are the questions. Yeah, check us out on Instagram, guys.
Danny's our friend. If you are a patron of the channel, you've probably seen the video where we went out under the Golden Gate Bridge in 6:30 all again. It was nuts. I'll post a link for that so you can watch it. Oh yeah.
See you guys out in the water.
Yeah.
And this buddy's
What is up?
What's up, guys?
We are here.
I'm Luke, Electric Surf Co.
Electric Surf Co. And where are you guys located?
Austin, Texas.
Austin, Texas. You hear that?
That's right.
Good old Texas. So when people do a foil lesson, do you get like a brisket afterwards?
A taco.
If they are tourists coming in from out of town, we always recommend that. Yes, definitely check out our barbecue joints.
Hell yeah.
Come get foil and then come get some barbecue.
Hell yeah. Sounds like a plan. YouTube video? Yeah, you want to be in a video right now?
See the video.
Woo! Yo, we are here at the partner meeting with
OC Foil.
They can't read because it's inverted. Say your name, sir.
Sam Deacon, OC Foil.
Where can people find you?
Orange County, Newport Beach.
What's your big down?
Newport Beach.
Largest dealer on the West Coast.
Whoa! Shots fucking fired. Do you hear that? Okay, guys, BayFoils Nation, we got to take Sam Deacon out. Oh, call to action right here. You going to let him get away with the slander? I think not. But anyway, Sam, good to see you.
You as well, as we missed. Peace.
Hey, wait, Chris, come back. Oh, I might have to go light too. Yo, we are at the 2024 partner meeting. It's the dudes from Nautical Ventures. Yeah. Where can we find you guys? South Florida.
North Park Beach, Tampa, Sarasota. I didn't mean physically. I meant like when we did that.
Nauticalventures.com.
Hey, are you guys on Instagram? Yes.
Yep.
They have noted ours.
You hear that? Like, subscribe, follow, do all that bullshit.
You know, heck.
In a video right now?
Hi.
What is up?
Do they have a choice?
We are with our friends. Say your names, guys.
Jamie. Two.
And we're,
Keys.
yes, eFoil the keys. Plug it. Put in the plug.
Down in
Second down the
Florida.
keys. And right.
Warmest place in the United States.
And what else? What else do you guys do this year?
Well, we do both the guided iguana hunts.
Yeah. That's some Florida man shit right there. I tell you what.
We do the full Florida experience.
Hell yeah.
Do you know what they also do?
You have like the data speeder here.
Skydive, crash, still survive.
Yep. Oh, that's a whole nother video right there. Where can people find you on the internet?
eFoil the keys. So at eFoil the keys. efoilthekeys.com. eFoil Facebook /eFoil the key. All of it. You'll figure Google.
Hell yeah. Google.
Yep.
Google. eFoil the keys. What's up, everybody? We're with the man, the myth, the legend, Gnarly Harley himself. That's you, bud.
For sure. Facebook, Instagram.
No, I'm gonna splice it together. But
Splice this together.
just tell the people who you are.
What's up, guys? Justin here. We're in
Wisconsin. We're in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. It's gonna be fucking sick.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers. Where can people find you on the internet?
NarlyHarleyVentures.com. Harley, Instagram, Justin.
If you want the gnarliest, harliest eFoil content, follow this guy.
Let's show us on YouTube.
We are at the Fliteboard Conference 2024 with our friend Matt,
Goodhue Boat Company up in New Hampshire. Several locations around the country now.
Where can they find you on the internet?
GoodhueBoat.com. Everything's there.
What about social media? Nobody goes .coms anymore.
I know. Goodhue Boat. Just Goodhue Boat. GOSODHUE.
On the Insta, on the
Insta, Facebook, everything you can find, we're there.
Hell yeah.
That's the end of the video. You know the drill. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to all of our friends here. And again, if you are looking for a quality partner that's local to you for lessons, retail, whatever, all these people are in the video are committed to Fliteboard and give above and beyond expertise and excellence and customer service. These are the people who are going to be there for you for your purchase, your service, and any sort of instruction that you need for your Fliteboard. Cheers, and we'll see you in the next video.